Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy M1, and you know what? On this fateful Sunday evening, I'm on a sightseeing right here in Imo River, and what? I'm organizing a drinking competition for this beautiful fisherman, and it's all about winner takes it all. And how much? 30,000 naira. 30,000 naira. If you're able to. All right, now, if you're able to finish 10 sachets of pure water within a few seconds, you can take home 30,000 naira. And if you know you can finish it, just go away to avoid casualties. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to start now. Remember?
I told you that your boy is gonna win.
Okay. All right. Are you set? Okay, now. 30,000 naira, winner takes it all. 30,000 naira, winner takes it all. Right here in Imo River. Yes, sir. Okay. All right. It is time now. We start. Okay, I think we need to sample the pure waters right now, ladies and gentlemen. Good. 30,000 naira, winner takes it all. Winner takes it all. Good. It's happening.
One.
If you know you can pull out.
One.
Yes.
Who guys picking up?
Yes. 30,000. Winner takes it all. 30,000. 30,000. Winner takes it all. 30,000 naira. Winner takes it all. It's happening right here in Imo River. I'm doing a giveaway in a form of competition. Ladies and gentlemen, winner takes it all. 30,000 naira. Winner takes it all. Winner takes it all. Is it a job for? Let's see who takes it all. Please, if you know you can pull out. Let's see. 30,000 naira. Winner takes it all. 30,000 naira. Winner takes it all. Is it gonna be this fisherman? Is it gonna be a job for? Let's see who wins. Let's see who goes home with this fat amount of money. 30,000 naira. Wow. I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. I can't believe it. Ojofo in a rampage trying to go home with 30,000. Or is this a man? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens between these two fishermen. Winner takes it all. 30,000 naira. Right here in the beautiful place of Imo River. Winner takes it all. 30,000 naira. Cash. Look at it. Cash. Oh, someone is losing out. Someone is losing out. Oh! Hey! I said it. I said it. All right, put your hands together for this fisherman. He has just won him for himself. 30,000 naira. You know what? Yes, sir. Let's see the tummy. Look at how breathing tummy is. Wonderful. It started like a joke and it's ending with a praise. And right in my hand here is 30,000 naira. I'm not mincing words. So I'm going to hand it over to, what's your name?
Ugo God.
Okay, Ugo God. All right.
Ugo smile.
He calls himself a 10 minute, meaning pot of water. And today he's going home with 30,000.